learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka here on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin Lim Zep Siu。今天呢，要持续呢来问问题，尤其我常常会问这个问题，因为你也知道我很喜欢的一件事情是。Okay, today's subject is gonna have to do with asking people, have you eaten yet? What are you eating? And what do you like to eat? It's all about food again. All right. 所以呢，我们有时候会问说，你要吃什么 ？What do you want to eat? Whether it be for lunch or dinner or breakfast, okay? 你要吃什么？
我爱吃麻鸡。
我爱吃麻鸡 okay? That means what do you want to eat? 麻鸡是 what? All right? 什么东西？
那海陆腔的话，我们说你爱吃麻鸡。
哦，哇哦，蛮不一样的。麻鸡。然后那个你也不太一样啊。
我们会说你爱吃麻鸡。
你爱吃麻鸡。
然后四线腔是我爱吃麻鸡。
我爱吃麻鸡哦，这麻鸡我比较听得懂，可是
麻
鸡就是也是一样。What do you want to eat in a different dialect? Okay, good. Now I know how to say that. Sometimes we want to be more specific and we want to ask, what are you having for lunch? Okay, 你午餐要吃什么？怎么说呢？
懂猪爱吃麻鸡。
不是是猪吗？
其实你懂猪的话，我们有可以说，我们就说你中午要吃什么？
懂猪是中午的意思。
对，那我们也可以说午餐的话，我们也可以说成是船。你船爱吃麻鸡。
那如果是晚餐就是
暗船。
OK， 船。暗船 OK， those are lunch and dinner respectively。那你喜欢吃什么呢？
我喜欢吃青菜。
我不是在问你，我还日本料理嘞，你怎么那么快就回答了？
那不然呢？
我喜欢吃日本料理，你要请我吗？
好啊，下次吧。
Alice was so speedy in answering that question. I just wanted to ask her how to ask, what do you like to eat? 你喜欢吃什么？ She said vegetables, veggies. And I said Japanese food. Anyways, 怎么说呢？这句话。
好吃麻鸡。
好吃麻鸡 That means 你喜欢吃什么 And finally, after a full meal, 吃得饱的时候，你就会说我吃饱了。
爱吃饱诶。
爱吃饱诶 That means I'm full. Let's review all these phrases. 你要吃什么 What do you want to eat?
爱吃麻鸡。
愛吃麻雞 What are you having for lunch? 你午餐要吃什麼？
懂豬愛吃麻雞。
懂豬愛吃麻雞 And then, what do you like to eat? 你喜歡吃什麼？
好吃麻雞。
好吃麻雞 And finally, I am full. 我吃飽了。
愛吃飽誒。
愛吃飽誒 And there you have it. A very delicious and full, complete practical Hakka lesson.
什麼大家？
按子say張來了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.